Hey y'all. So this birthday was a little bit different. We decided to dip off for the weekend and enjoy some good old nature. So, no real agenda that morning. I went to jump off rock. If you want to see the views, make sure you check out the other video. For the evening, I decided to hit the trails so we can check out a few waterfalls. Make sure you watch this full video and you will not be disappointed. I will be jumping in and out of commentary. Let's go. Taking y'all to the waterfall. And just because I gotta stay true. Don't go chasing waterfall. Oh wow. I think I underestimated. Hello there, how are you?
Look out for Triple Falls.
Alright.
They shot the Hunger Games.
You don't know I got a rock out bust him upside the head. Playing. Alright, so if you heard what the local was saying, he said that they actually shot the Hunger Games at Triple Falls. I am a big Hunger Games fan, so I will definitely be going back to review the actual movie itself and see if I can find that scene. I think I know which one it is. Alright. So you know we booking it now. We ain't got time. Don't play no games. Let's get to where we gotta go and get back in the car. Shout out to my girl that seen that snake and caught that little sucker and moved him all off the path because I swear he was coming my way and I do not deal with them games. She was my favorite person for the day. For sure. I will not clutter up this footage with my voice. Enjoy the views and the sounds of nature. I'm not walking all them over there. Make sure I'm grounded. See, they coming from somewhere. So you gotta do what? How y'all got over there? Y'all ain't walk this right here. Or you can go this way right here. Y'all see how I'm over here working, trying to get y'all better shots and angles. Out here, roam, roam, roaming, 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 roam. All right, now let's pay attention. I got it, but I know I'm in a good place.
Give me a little snack.
I could tell that I was getting closer because you could actually hear the falls. However, when I got to this particular area and I seen these do not enter signs, I got a little apprehensive because the gate was open, but I still seen the signs. And you know, you tell me don't enter, I ain't going up in there. As I kept walking, I noticed that it was a trail closed, so it was cool. Baby, it's worth it just from going right here. Now, I was able to bring you this footage in under 10 minutes. Do not get it twisted. It took me 20 minutes to get to High Falls, another 5 minutes to get to the base, and then another 20 minutes to get to Triple Falls. And then another 45 minutes to get to the car. I hope y'all enjoyed, because I did. Peace.